Got a few words for us, Luke? Do you have any words for us?
He doesn't want to talk now.
Doesn't want to talk. He gets very interested. Got Cheeky Monkey? There's Cheeky Monkey. Want to talk to Monkey? It's when the paparazzi's in his face. That's when he doesn't know what to do with it. Oh, Cheeky Monkey. And rolling over. Oh, it's a roly-poly. Yeah. Oh. If you're wondering, KD Lang at the opening of the games